why the scientist has to confirm everything from the Holy Quran? If it is about nature, universe, earth, human creations or anything, if the Quran mentions the topic, then science confirms it the way how Quran mentions it. And if it does not mention, then scientist leaves the topic for later on. And no one can tell me this is not true, because we have several evidence and proofs from the Holy Quran. Anything that scientist has confirmed was after the revelations of the Holy Quran. And that was several years when Quran started to spread out everywhere with thousands of different languages and translations, and that is recent centuries. The reason why scientists cannot deny the Holy Quran is since Quran has came out, it has been memorized from a generation to another generation within the hearts of humans, and even up to this day, up to 250 million people right now that live within the face of this earth memorize the Holy Quran letter by letter, word by word. And this fact cannot ever be denied by scientists, which is why all other scriptures or holy books have lost its value, and Quran is the only one to remain and satisfy every single scientist that discovers about this land and the universe. Subhanallah.